And let's start off with a news break coming in. Rahul Gandhi going ahead and claiming credit for the decision by the centre to fast-track approval of foreign-made COVID vaccines. Rahul Gandhi has taken a jibe at the centre for mocking initially his appeal to fast-track vaccine approvals and then going ahead and taking a decision on that front. Rahul Gandhi's tweeted, and I quote, "First they ignore you, then they laugh at you, then they fight you, then you win." So Rahul Gandhi there quoting Mahatma Gandhi to target the centre. This comes after the centre had fast-tracked approval for foreign-made COVID-19 vaccines. Rahul Gandhi had put a demand for that, which in fact several ministers had come out to slam and mocked Rahul. Now he's saying that it's because of his suggestion that the centre has acted. So what exactly is it that Rahul Gandhi is claiming credit for? Well, it was a big decision that was taken yesterday by the centre where they said that there will be a fast tracking of approval for foreign-made vaccines which have already been given authorization in other countries. This amid the second wave of coronavirus infections in the country and is expected to hugely boost the vaccination process here in India.
India is soon getting a bigger pool of anti-COVID vaccines. The centre has announced it will expedite the approval of vaccines that have already got emergency approval for restricted use in the United States, European Union, United Kingdom, Japan, or are listed in the World Health Organization's emergency use listing. The vaccines will have to undergo parallel bridging clinical trials. The first 100 recipients of any of these vaccines will be assessed for 7 days for safety outcomes before they are rolled out in a big way.
The prior need for clinical trial will not be there. This therefore compresses the timelines. For 100 days, for the first 100 individuals who will receive the vaccine, their safety will be watched for a period of 7 days. So that
the government's decisions opens the door for vaccines being used in the West, like those developed by Pfizer, Moderna, Johnson & Johnson and Novavax.
We invite the vaccine makers such as Pfizer, Moderna, Johnson & Johnson and others who are in the other stages eventually, who will seek the licensure from any of these agencies to be ready to come to India at the earliest possible.
The call to fast-track foreign vaccines came on a day the Drug Controller General of India cleared the Russian-made Sputnik V for emergency use.
The number of side effects of Sputnik is, several times lower than that of Pfizer. And this is just, not us saying, it's Ministry of Health of Mexico saying it. So I think some people can look into this data. I don't want to comment on this too much. I think all of the vaccines are very important to save the world. We believe that we should work together and each country should have a portfolio of vaccines, which is exactly what India has done very wisely.
The idea to fast-track approvals for foreign-made vaccine is the government's way of opening an express entry door for Pfizer, Moderna, as well as Johnson & Johnson to come into India. Trials will be done parallelly and vaccinations will also be done provided they are approved by credible drug regulatory authorities such as the US FDA, the European Union or even the WHO. After Sputnik's V approval, India is sure to have a basket full of vaccines which is necessary at this point to vaccinate the maximum amount of people to stop the COVID-19 surge and pandemic in the country. With Vakar Ahmed, Milan Sharma for India Today.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.